No environmentally friendly facility can truly be green without a hand cleaner with a positive environmental profile. EarthSense Certified Green Foaming Hand Cleaner and Certified Green Liquid Hand Cleaner are Green Seal certified and leave your hands feeling clean and fresh. Whether you choose the foam or the liquid, the environmental impact will be felt by what these hand cleaners do not contain. Meanwhile, you will benefit from what they do provide: a rich, abundant lather that is gentle on sensitive skin in a biodegradable formulation. Each of these hand cleaners are optimal choices for schools, municipal facilities, institutions, or offices.